The question, what are the major and minor chords in guitar? Very first thing, when you talk about notes, scales, chords and other elements of music, most often it does not have to anything specific to an instrument. The basic fundamentals of music are agnostic of the instrument, and as long as you are able to devise a way to create sounds in certain specified frequencies, you can apply all the same principles on your device/instrument of creating music. Now, your question about major and minor chords. To understand this, you need to first understand notes and scales. Note. A note is the smallest unit of sound that make a musical piece. Often you may hear terms like half note or quarter note, but that refers to relative time interval for how long you play a note compared to others in the piece of music. Scale, a sequence of notes often in the increasing order of frequency/pitch, is termed a scale. On a piano, each key forms a note, and when you move from left to right there is a constant increase in the pitch of the sounds. As you can see in the above picture, each white key on the keyboard is labeled with an alphabetical character extending from A to G or C to B. The black keys in between two white keys are named as sharps or flats of the key which it succeeds or precedes. For example, the key between C and D is named as C sharp or D flat. All the keys, including the black ones, starting from any key up to the same configuration next key 12th from the starting, form the chromatic scale. Here all keys from C to the middle C form the C chromatic scale. If you had to enumerate all the notes in chromatic scale, it would go something like this: C, C sharp, D, D hash, E, F, F hash, G hash, A hash, B, C. Chords. Chords are combinations of three or more notes. Any chords has two attributes which identify it: the root and the chord family. Major and minor are the chord families, and the starting note of the chord forms the root of it. So a major chord in the key of C would be called C major chord and would start on a C note. Chord formulae. As said above, a chord is formed by three or more notes in a certain pattern. This pattern characterizes a chord family and can be formalized with respect to the number of the notes in a particular scale. The formula for a major chord in chromatic scale is first, fifth and eighth note. For example, C major chord would be formed by the bold notes below: C, C sharp, D, D hash, E, F, F hash, G, G hash, A hash, B 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So, C, E and G form the C major chord. The formula for minor would be first, fourth and eighth note: C, C sharp, D, D hash, E, F, F hash, G, G hash, A hash, B 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So C, D hash and G form the C minor chord. For guitar, notes are played on frets, and you need to find the chromatic scale to apply the same theory to form chords.